Listen to me right now. AliExpress, Annabelle here, that is where the thing is at. Alright guys, so this video is going to be about the hair that I've been wearing. Now you have not seen this hair in a lot of videos. I don't even know. Okay, so I've filmed, okay, so yes, you're getting 2 videos today. I'm sorry about that, but I'm getting ready to take this hair out, and I noticed that I have not said anything to you guys about it, and the truth is the company can't send me the hair, I don't say nothing about it, don't it? So this is hair from Annabelle here on AliExpress. That name sounds familiar. I'm such a blushing idiot. That name sounds familiar because I've worked with them before. Boo-boo. Never talk it, God almighty truth. I'm going to be completely honest. Annabelle here on AliExpress is the best among, I can't say they're the best because they're not the only ones, but it's among my top 5 virgin hair companies. Guys, when I said the hair is flawless, so I'm wearing their Peruvian straight in 26 inches. I colored the ends up myself with just like peroxide and basic white. Guys, look at the movement. Look at the movement of this hair. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I am absolutely in love with this hair. Now this hair was a center part, right? So I'm wearing a frontal, story time. Anyway, I'm wearing a frontal and 1 frontal and 4 bundles, right? I have like this much of the bundle left. Now the frontal is the first time using a frontal. I had the hair sewn in. It's not a wig, it's actually a sewing, and I did not like how the frontal looked. Now I was watching videos on how to customize your frontal, and I really think I screwed up this frontal, to be completely honest with you. I felt like I plucked too much out. The bleaching was wrong. That's why I had to bleach the ends of the hair, because the frontal, because I had it in a center part, the frontal was bleached and it shouldn't have bleached on it. So I was like, okay, let me try and swag it and bleach the ends. So we'll come back. I'm just not a hairdresser. I'm a makeup artist. Like, I can do anything with the face and some makeup. I can fix whatever mistake you have, okay? Whatever mistake you made, okay? I can fix that. But when it comes to hair, that is not my forte, my love. So, yeah, so I messed up the closure. I fully believe. I can't blame it on the company. I can't blame it on the hairdresser. I messed up this closure. So, it wasn't a center party yet. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you'd have seen, first of all, you know that I don't have a phone right now. So yeah, so I borrow good phone. I used to do the Snapchat, so that's why I don't see my actively on Snapchat. My apologies. But yeah, so I was snapping all day, and this hair is what I wore. Everybody comes and asks me, what hair is that? What hair is that? What hair is that? Guys, this hair got me so much compliments. I feel like a queen in this hair. Everybody, people just see me. No man, girl, the ear shell. What kind of ear that? No man, where by that ear there? Look, my nana, the straight ear on you is you. I'm getting compliments left, right, and center from people who don't know me, people who know me, people just staring at my hair. This hair makes me feel so good. So why is it not in a center part anymore? Because the closure began to push back. You know, when I wear the frontal began to push back. You know when they wear your closures, and when I had them sewing in, they kind of push back after a while. That's what was happening. So there was like a gap, and it looked like I had a receding hairline. I was like, no, this is not the business. So I cut the frontal. So I brush the frontal down and I cut it. But because of how thin the frontal looked, my bang looked thin. And you guys will see in a couple of videos where I had some thin bangs. And I got my hair done at Hair Vibes at Hillside Plaza here in Portmore. Got it done by Tristan and her team. And then I got my hair, then I cut the bangs myself, and I got my bangs fixed by Denise in my bay at, oh crap, some road. I don't remember the name, but she's in my bay and her name is Denise, and she work on some road, I don't know, some road. Yeah, so I asked her to put tracks in, so you can see the tracks here. This track here is not virgin hair at all. It's like regular human hair here, and this is my closure. This is where the closure is. See how far the closure is? crochet all the way back here, and this is about 2 or 3 tracks right here. She put this, like, this alone works, but like bam, like when my virgin hair covers this human hair, it just looks like one, and I'm just like, I am here for it, man. And she fixed it. Some parts of the hair she couldn't fix, she had said, because I did already mess it up by cutting it wrong. But yeah, like right here, so you can see that it's like a big chop. So yeah, so listen, I love this hair. This hair, even when I was there, like, people kept saying like, oh my gosh, I love the hair. When my hair was done the first time, I got so neat. So as I moved, the hair just moved with me. I did not co-wash it or anything like that. Today is the first time that I was washing the hair. Yeah, and Denise had wash it for me, blow dry it, and track it, and then fix my bang, like cut back the bang. You guys, Annabelle hair on AliExpress is the real deal, and I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm going to work with them again. I wrote them. First of all, they wrote me for the curly hair. This time I wrote them. I was like, listen, my 30th birthday, 31st birthday is coming up, and I need some straight hair. And they're like, Lyric, we do for you. I'm not sure if that was racist. I hope that wasn't racist. I hope they're not even Chinese or Japanese. I don't know. But they sent me this, and I love it. I love it so much. You know, I think I would slay a curly closure, but the straight closure, your girl needs some help. I love this hair so much. Oh, Annabelle hair on AliExpress. In Jamaican terms, una find it. In Jamaican terms, una have it lock. In universal terms, you have done an amazing job with your hair selection. In universal terms, you are very turned. It's like your ears to my record, so what do you hear called? Remember, just make some noise here. Oh gosh. Anyway, yes. So this is, there's nothing bad I can say about this hair. The hair is absolutely gorgeous. It took the color well. It lifted in minutes. The length is absolutely gorgeous. 26 inches. Oh yeah, girl, I try. Nothing. No with me. Peruvian. Oh, I'm wearing Peruvian straight. I didn't say that. So I'm wearing Peruvian straight from Annabelle hair on AliExpress. Nothing bad to say about this hair. You'll see this hair, a dedicated video again. I think one more time. I don't think this one needs any more videos at all, to be honest. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I'm completely excited. It's because I just got my bangs fixed, and they were so jacked up when I did it. And to get them fixed is like, victory. So yeah, this is it. Nothing bad to say about the hair at all. The hair is nice and thick. Of course it tangles at the back because that's what hair does, because it's rubbing on my neck, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I will say though, when this hair needs to be washed, it shows. Yeah, so it gets just dry and just nasty when it needs to be washed, but once you wash it, boo, look at this. We're back in business. Yeah, back in business. So guys, this is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know it's all over the place and I'm completely excited. Annabelle hair, AliExpress, they are worth your money. They're worth your coins. They're worth your time. Check out other reviews on YouTube. Do not just take my word for it. Do your research if you want to invest in some good hair. Birthday, wedding, anniversary, Christmas, Valentine's Day, whatever it is. Do your research. My opinion is Annabelle hair up there. This Peruvian straight reminds me of Russian hair. If a hair reminds me of Russian hair, it's God almighty good hair. Let me just say that right now. Okay. Yeah, so that's basically it for this video, guys, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye. All night party.